Alright, here we are, day 2 on the chimney. What do you think, honey?
That looks awesome.
Looking pretty good so far?
So excited, yes.
Yeah, so we finished up last night. We had an opening there. We're about to get the rest of the opening.
It's great. I could not be happier. I'm so excited.
Lots of light.
What?
Lots of light.
Lots of light,
Yeah.
yes.
Dad's over there working hard. We've already taken down another 4 courses of brick, and we got some more cinder block exposed. We'll get those out here in just a second. But yeah, we're making good progress. Should have this wood box down to the ground today, have all this cleaned up, and ready to go back with some framing. What do you think, hon?
I'm in love.
All right, there you go. That makes it all worthwhile.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, you know, once you make a hole, then you got room to get them to wiggle.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, that's great. Awesome. Now, do you have to cut the one that's over here by the fireplace?
Let's tip it out with the
okay.
rubber hammer.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Let there be light. That's awesome. So, while Chris is working in there, I am going to take you guys on the other side into the office. I can't wait to see what this looks like. I have no idea, but I'm excited. So, here we go. Of the pool, these windows. Okay, so this wall gets blown out to the back of the house. We will have French doors and side lights here, and then we'll have this entryway, and then an entryway on the other side to come into the office. So I'm pretty stoked. I think it's going to look awesome, and I just can't wait till he's done with the whole thing.
All right, Amber's ready to take her turn. Let's go to it, honey.
Let's see.
One down, 345 to go.
I think I'm good.
You quitting already?
One's good.
All right, I'll take it.
It's harder than it looks.
It is. luck, honey. Indeed.
Oh, wow.
They're all buried in this wall.
Yeah.
So that thing's called a lintel,
Uh-huh.
and you have to put one of those in to hold the brick in place since it's above an opening, right?
Right.
Okay.
Old days, you know, they used to use bricks and they have a keystone, you know, to hold the place.
Oh, okay.
Or they'd use a piece of stone, you know,
Yeah.
and then you got a steel
Okay.
lintel to hold.
The winter it stayed up, and then they could rest that front edge of that 4-inch that's on the back.
Yeah.
It's just resting there and then resting on that steel.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a big one.
Well. These couple courses to get right up together.
Uh-huh.
Good job. Finally at the end.
Oh,
Honey, how you feeling?
more out.
No doubt.
What do you think?
I think it looks awesome. What do you think?
Love it.
Job well done.
Love it.
Are you ready to come in and see what we did? Yeah. All right, come here. All right, stay right there. All right, we want to see what you think of what we've done this weekend, okay? All right, come on in.
Yeah, boy.
What do you think, Reed?
There are things gone. What?
Now stay back from that.
Why is there a hole?
Well, that'll get covered up.
Okay.
What do you think, boys?
It's good.
Pretty amazing, isn't it?
Isn't that going to be awesome?
Oh, is it safe to walk through here?
It
Yeah.
is.
I don't want to fall through the floor.
You're not. Just
That's solid concrete. You're not falling through that.
Oh.
But this is not.
Concrete right there.
Stay. Yeah.
Wow.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
And on the other side here, you'll be able to do that too. Once they start work, they'll frame this out, and we'll walk through here,
What's
just
this?
like over there.
What's this?
Marble.
Marble. That was, remember the mantle covered,
Creepy
you saw
face.
this and that.
Yeah, and the creepy thing.
Yeah, the creepy face is gone.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, it's still there over there. It's still over there. What? It's still over there.
It's still over
It's
there.
still over there.
No.
Yeah. All right. Job well done, Mommy.
I didn't do all that much. You did.
Well, job well done, team.
Job well done, Chris. And Paul.
So there you go, folks. The hearth is gone. And the wood box is gone. And that's where the new framed opening will go into the new office space. Of course, this wall is going to disappear. And this wall is going to get bumped out flush with the back of the house. And these windows will be turned into a big French door unit looking out over the pool. This door goes away. And all this back porch area goes away and becomes part of the new enlarged office space. So it's going to look completely different by the time we get it all done. And this fireplace, we're going to wrap it in paneling, and we're hoping to be able to drop the firebox down flush with the floor to make it look more like a traditional colonial fireplace. So there you have it. Another long weekend in the books. Lots accomplished this weekend. Everybody's tired, right, hon?
Yes.
Yeah. So it was a huge success. Couldn't be happier with the work done here by the fireplace. We were able to save all that brick, and everything is intact. The diamond saw blade did a great job cutting those brick, and it really does look clean and neat. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that like button if you like what we're doing here. Be sure to comment below if you've got any ideas for future videos, and hit the subscribe button too so you don't miss a single episode of Woodmere State Revival. Thanks. Take care.